Hey YouTube, it's Raz Kid, and I'm going to show you a quick video on how to resize your thumbnails. So let's say you made a sexy thumbnail, right, for your amazing video, and you go to it and it says the file size is bigger than 2 megabits, right? You go here, you put your thumbnail there, yet again it doesn't work. So here's a trusty site that I use. There's multiple sites, but I just go to this one here. I go to Image Resizer. I'm gonna put the link in the description, right? You go to resize image. Wait, sorry. You go to select the image, and then you'll select the image, and then it will pop up here. And then you're gonna go to just resize image. Of course it's gonna get compressed, but it's gonna go down to that size right there. Still gonna look amazing. You can download the file. The download is finished. You'll go back to it. You go back there. You go to downloads. You go to it, and there's your thumbnail. As amazing as it looks, you know what I'm saying? Usually it only happens when you add text or you add more than what you need to add on the thumbnail, but I'm sure there's other easier ways. If there is, please put it in the comments. I'll pin it. You know what I'm saying? And I'll make more videos on it down the line. All right, let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.